Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Apple Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Apple ID, go to Payment and Shipping, add payment method, and now you can add Apple Pay, credit debit card, Blick or mobile phone. Let's start with Apple Pay, tap Done, and it's set. Now let's select. Add payment method, and now you can add credit card, Blick or mobile phone. If you want to add credit card, you need to enter your number, expire dates and CVV number. If you want to add Blick, simply select Submit. If you want to add mobile phone, enter your mobile phone, then also press Submit. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.